Meaning of equably.
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 Equably. The word equably is an adverb that means something is done in a calm, even, and steady manner without sudden changes or fluctuations. When a task is accomplished equably, it results in a smooth and consistent outcome, without any abrupt changes or disruptions. It can be applied to various situations where it is desirable to maintain a stable and balanced approach, such as in business, relationships, or decision-making processes. Overall, the term equably refers to a sense of reliability, steadiness, and predictability in achieving a goal or resolving a challenge.